Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham, Friday the 31st of December 2021, so it's New Year's Eve, and I did go in a charity shop and I did buy one thing, a radio controlled snail, so we'll give that a try in a minute, and I'll just explain what else I did. I bought those in Poundland because it looks like they're just selling off their old stock, and I use these for my leave behind art. It's pearl effect acrylic. It's thick stuff, so you can actually make 3D effects with it. And then, also in Poundland, I bought these two. This one I'd picked up in a charity shop for £1.50, because originally I wasn't going to pay the full price of these. I didn't want to spend £3 on a friction powered car or flywheel powered car, but picked this one up for £1.50 in a charity shop, and I'm on my way through converting it to radio control. That chassis is actually radio control rubber band power. The chassis over there will be proper electric. Anyway, what I wanted to find out was whether that chassis would fit in those cars, and the only way to do that would be to buy them. So I did buy the other two in the set. So I will go straight into seeing if they work. When I say if they work, see if I can swap the chassis over. They do work, or the green one worked very well as a friction car. Actually particularly good, I would say. Only with most friction cars, if you're too robust with them, too heavy-handed, you can actually push the friction motor out of alignment, which is what somebody had done with that green one, because it's just held in place with a couple of clips in the bodywork there. So if you push down too hard, you will actually make it break free. But I think the chassis are interchangeable. I think. I'm not sure. I'm looking at that one, and that one is slightly different to the other one. That one doesn't want to come out. Right. These must be useful for something. Can't think what, but they must be useful. Right, so. So what I'm thinking is the fixing screws, I think they've got them all the same distance. now. I need to take. Let's try that one. It's the same dimensions. Just demonstrate that. That should fit in there. So that lines up there. Putting it in backwards. Yep, that lines up. So that one may or may not fit in there, because the chassis for there had a couple of extra clip-on bits. So although they line up, they won't sit down unless I remove that back piece. But other than that, they would. Yeah. Let's have a look at that one as well. I did say I was going to have a look at the radio control Snail, didn't I? How long has this video been running? 7 minutes. Oh, that's not too bad. Something I showed on the green one when I took it apart is under that label on that one there was actually a little box for batteries for sound effects. This one doesn't have it, and this one doesn't have it. So there's a small difference between them. Motor, as I say, you can unclip it. And if you push down on it too hard, then you push it out of that clip. Right, so which was which? Yep, looks like that one will fit in there. Yep, there. That one's not so happy fitting in there, is it? Oh no, I was just pushing it in the wrong way. Yeah, it'll fit, but the front sticks out a little bit. So the wheelbase is the same on all of them, and that's what was important to me, because that means my chassis will fit in all of them. Right, let's have a look at the Snail. Careful not to lose all the screws that I've just taken out. Well, I did say I was going to try this one out in this video, but it's playing up, so I'll have to make that one a separate video on its own. There's something definitely not quite right with it. It worked briefly, I put fresh batteries in it, and now it doesn't work at all. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.